How to make or create character in Janitor AI. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for janitorai.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, in order to create a character, tap on the Create a Character option you see on top of your screen. You will further be required to fill in the form shown to you. So, go ahead and enter the details asked. Start by entering the image as bot avatar, or you can import Tavern PNG file. Further, enter a unique character name and then enter the character chat name. You will then be required to enter the character bio, which will be displayed in your character card, and influence search. Now move forward to the Character Tags tab. Start by tagging your character with relevant keywords and then define your character by their personality, scenario, initial message, and example dialogues and other such required details. And finally, tap on the Create Character button, and with this, your character will be created. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.